Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook, back with another video for you, and today I'm going to share a Japanese rice soup called Zosui. Zosui is made with the dashi broth and cooked rice, and it can be made with the protein like chicken or small amount of vegetables available in the refrigerator. You can make it vegan friendly by using kombu dashi. It's perfect for those cold days or if you feel under the weather and need some nourishing meal. Now let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you love Japanese food, please follow along on Instagram and Facebook at Just One Cookbook. Since you guys are all watching till the end of this video, here's the Japanese word of the day. 簡単, which means easy, and 難しい, which means difficult. If you want to say this recipe is easy, you can say このレシピは簡単です。If your homework is difficult, you can say この宿題は難しいです。簡単、難しい。Have fun using it. Subscribe if you haven't already and make sure to click the bell icon. See you next time with a brand new video here on my YouTube channel. またね!